Welcome everybody, NFT Parent back for another video. So is Robinhood going to be the one to get NFTs going again? We've got the Robinhood Chain posts $1 million in 24-hour NFT trading volume. So this is interesting. Robinhood's own blockchain is generating more than twice the 24-hour NFT trading volume on Ethereum. For a chain that didn't exist before July 1st, it's a remarkable flex against a network that essentially invented the NFT market. It says Robinhood Chain is a permissionless layer 2 on the Arbitrum technology that's been posting roughly $1 million in daily NFT volume according to recent data. It says Ethereum, the chain that gave you Bored Apes, CryptoPunks, is sitting at less than half that figure on any given day. So it says this chain is built for speed, fueled by memes. They had a collection called Spirithood that offered the clearest proof of demand as far as that chain working. Set of 44,444 NFTs sold out in just 54 minutes. We haven't seen many of those in a long time, something sell out, especially one that big. Pulling in approximately 1.28 million and around 684 ETH in less than an hour. That's wild. I think that's cool though. Since then, collections like Stonk Brokers and Robinhood Punks have kept the momentum going, racking up thousands of sales, maintaining elevated daily volumes. It says beyond NFTs, the DEX dominant story. NFTs are grabbing the spotlight, but they're not the only metric on the Robinhood chain. Chain's also ranked in centralized exchange trading volume, surpassing Ethereum many times. The chain inherits Arbitrum's low fee and small dollar trades visible in a way that Ethereum's base layer still struggles. So I think that's really interesting that we're getting a giant like Robinhood and on their own chain. So I mean, we'll take whatever we can get to kind of kickstart this market. But you can find the Robinhood NFTs on OpenSea, which is convenient. I just went here and picked for chains. I picked Robinhood Chain just to show. I mean, there's a lot of, obviously most of them say new because it's all fairly new, but I mean, look at some of these one-day volumes: 133 ETH, 121 ETH. It's like 1,000 ETH on that one. So I mean, we've got one-day sales almost 2,000, 4,000 on the Hood Rat Dumpster Club. So this is really cool, and there's a lot of them on here already, and they're starting up fast. People are really making these, so you may want to look into this. Obviously, none of this is ever financial advice, entertainment purposes only, but it's just cool to see the NFT space getting another kind of kickstart, maybe getting some more people interested and some people that don't know much about it finding out. The way to get your Robinhood NFTs is the Robinhood wallet. So they have an iOS and Android that you can get. This is on the App Store. You can get this. So that is the only way right now to store those is the Robinhood wallet. I'm sure that might change in the future, but as of right now, that's what you need to get to store those. But yeah, being able to buy them on OpenSea is awesome. And yeah, just the fact, I mean, $1 million in 24 hours, and they just keep doing that. And it seems like it's really taken off. I mean, obviously Robinhood is huge, and a lot of degens used to be on Robinhood and probably still are, but we just like to see the NFT space pick up. So I just wanted to get a video out there about this because I think this could be big as more people find out about it in the future. But that's really taken off for the amount of time. I think it's cool to see new NFT projects. So in videos to come, I'll definitely show you different projects on the chain. I got to do more research, reach out to some owners, some people that have made some of this art, and find out about them, which ones I like, which ones are popular. But I'm definitely going to do that. So let's keep an eye on Robinhood Chain, see if it's something you're interested in, and maybe pick up some new NFTs. That's exciting just to be able to say that. NFT Parent on all social media. X is the best way, at NFT Parent, to get a hold of me. Usually within hours I can respond. So let me know what you're watching, what you want to see, and I appreciate your help. Thank you very much for watching the show. Bye.